Hey there, my name is Trey Rudig. I'm the marketing director of the Core Roofing and Solar, and we are located in Denver, Colorado. I learned about it through our supplier Beacon, and I'm super grateful for Beacon for setting us up with this opportunity to come out here for this all-day workshop. It's been super beneficial, informative, and motivating to kind of point us in the direction of where there's some gaps in our marketing efforts and best practices and how to fully achieve what we're looking for in our department. Having not really known a whole lot about what was going on, I can't really say I had huge expectation, but I definitely exceeded what I thought I was getting myself into. I did the video breakaway with Manager John, and the formula for finding the truths as far as the overall marketing strategies go for the macro. The video and emphasis on content creation is going to be super helpful. I'm impressed with, first off, is that they are using the EOS system and setting benchmarks. Beacon fit the bill for us to have us come down here today, so we super appreciate that. And Brandon Hoover specifically has always been super responsive, attentive, and helpful. They invest in our programs that we do at Core, events that we do. They're always a sponsor. They're always happy to donate some money to help us put on events, and we're super appreciative, so thanks. I've been doing marketing for over 16 years when I owned my own business. They're still bringing value. You know, I've been doing this for a long, long time. I still learned something new today, and I love it.